Double check your fasteners, your connectors, make sure harness, everything is straight, your wires are aligned, screws. Now we got to put the steering wheel back up.
Yeah, alright. I think that's the one. Looking decent. Okay. You finished with this?
Okay, we put the steering back up. Now we got to tighten it and add the remaining screws.
Yeah. Okay.
And double check everything.
Okay, I got this.
Make sure you remember to put all braces and brackets back. All braces and brackets.
Yeah.
And screws. Okay, you want to tighten up this brace. I stress that, y'all. And then you got 2 up top. Also, 1 on each side. Yep. Double check. Wow. Yeah. I don't want to have no accident down the road. You gotta make sure about your steering.
Okay, got a couple of bolts got in the way. Okay. Now you asked me about something. What?
Oh, you want me to tighten this? We got to get ready to insert the casing back in first, I think. It's color coded, y'all.
Well,
green with green, blue with blue.
See, you got small hands.
Okay, you'll have to kind of tilt this.
Yeah.
Tilt this down, slide it in, and it should be able to slide over into these grooves up top, line the holes for the screw holes up, and where they go. Okay, once when you have that installed, then you got to come out and put the casing back in there. Push the cover casing in, and I have 2 screw slots right here. And we put the braces on. This will give you the shape of your glove compartment. When you release, hit the glove compartment release, it's gonna come down. That bar is there. This what gives you that shape. These vent covers back in place. The other vent covers in there. Don't forget to put that case cover back on.